Another one that looks like it's trying to go and follow Bitcoin is ZRX. And this has broken out in the last hour as well, because it's not in quite the same bullish position, because we're in between these moving averages, the 20 and the 50. But it means our target is at least 50 and higher from here. And we have got a 5-day range breakout. I think potentially we could go to 0.37 again in this one as well. So this is ZRX dollar. In fact, against the dollar, a lot of Bitcoin looks good. But if you're looking at priced against Bitcoin, you'll find that Bitcoin, if it really gets a move on, will outperform a lot of alts, and they won't look so hot. But here's our breakout. So again, these horizontal highs, or just beneath them, should be support on a pullback in ZRX if it's going to keep going. Back we go to 37, 0.37 and 0.4 ZRX Bitcoin. Doesn't look special, doesn't look like much of a breakout, does it? So if you've got an alt and it looks like it's dropping against Bitcoin, I would say before you panic and panic sell, check how it's doing against the dollar and then decide if you want to hang on to it. Because ZRX Bitcoin doesn't look happy, but ZRX dollar looks just fine. Yeah, Ripple, it's sucking money. So this is another good example, okay? If you're holding Ripple, this looks like terrible on the daily. We've just lost the daily 50 moving average. Ripple against Bitcoin. If we drew this as a trend line, this says to me we're breaking down and we're headed back to this 200 moving average in Ripple Bitcoin. It's not a very good trend line, so I'm going to abandon that one. Look at this most recent sequence. Okay, but the worst thing in this chart, I think, is the daily 50 moving average. So if it was me, I would rather be in Bitcoin than Ripple if I see this. But when you look at Ripple dollar, we're not going down. In fact, we're up on the day. So if you like it and you don't want to switch back and forward, I don't think it's the end of the world if you hold on as well. If this, like, look, Ripple dollar is well up. So that's the decision you have to make.